Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a very nice image animation using only HTML and CSS. So this is the effect we're going to be building. Now this doesn't look well on mobile screens, but that's alright. On that size you would have the images stacked anyway. There is not enough space to put them side by side like this, so this is more for large desktops. If you're excited to learn how to do this, go ahead and hit that like button. I will provide links in the description to the images that you can code along with me. I suggest you do that because that is the best way to learn web development. And if you don't understand everything I'm doing in this video, you should know that when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, I'm gonna post one crash course for HTML and one crash course for CSS, teaching you everything you need to know from an absolute beginner all the way to advanced. So go ahead and share my videos so that I can reach that number as quickly as possible. And if you are new here, on this channel I post new videos every single day that will help you become a better web developer, and that will allow you to earn more money and live a better life. If that is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icons that you won't miss any of the new videos I upload. With that being said, let's get to the coding. So I have an empty folder on my desktop called image hover. As you can see, it's empty, and I opened it with my text editor, which in my case it's brackets. I'm going to create the index.html file, the style.css, and an img folder for the images. And I'm going to go and grab this, cut, and paste it in the img folder. As I said, links are in the description. Now let's go to the index.html, give some basic markup, the title image hover, and let's link our style.css file. And now the markup is pretty simple. I'm going to give it a div with a class of container, and inside I'm going to place the first image, so img alt photo 1, copy this 2 times, 2, 3, and change the source for the other 2 images. Select the second one and the third one, and that's it. Now let's open this in the browser. As you can see, they are way too big. We need to go to our style.css file next. Now let's give a background for the body of 235974. Let's take a look. You can see a little bit here on the edges. Now for the img, let's make some space first. Okay, select the images and give them a width of 500 pixels, a height of 500 pixels, and a position of absolute. Okay, now they are on top of each other. That's why you can only see one. Now select the first image, and I'm gonna use the pseudo selector and child 1 for the first image. Top 25% and left 67% to position it, and we're gonna create the animation. So animation name, let's call it image 1 effect. Animation duration, give it 2 seconds, and animation fill mode, set it to forwards. Let's see. As you can see, the first image is here right now. Now moving on to the second image, let's just copy this 2 more times. Okay, for the second one, we're gonna give it a top of 25% and left of 37%. We're gonna change the animation name to image 2 effect. Now we're gonna give this an animation delay of 0.5 seconds, and the rest should be just like the first one. So now moving on to the third one. For the top it's still 25%, and for the bottom only 7% this time. Change the name to image 3 effect and give it an animation delay of 1 second. Okay, let's see. As you can see, this is the final position. Now we're gonna use keyframes to animate this. So first, and also for the second image and the third one, we should set the visibility to hidden, as we want them to appear after the first image. So Okay, now we can only see the first one. Okay, add keyframes. Select the first animation name, image 1 effect. At 0%, we're gonna use the transform property and use translate X and give it 1500 pixels. This will make it come from the left of the screen, and rotate 0. And at 100%, transform translate X 0, so it will come to this position from here, from the left, and rotate 720 degrees. That will make that nice spinning effect. Let's take a look. As you can see, it's pretty good. Now let's copy this whole keyframe 2 more times. Okay, let's style the second image. So for the second image, for the second and third image, it's everything is the same, except we have to put the visibility to visible for all of them. So here, here, and here, and that should be it. We should be all set. Let's see. Something looks like something happened the third one. Oh, I didn't change the name of this keyframe. Okay, now it should work fine. And as you can see, this is the same effect as in the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Go ahead and leave a comment. Share this video. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.